Hey, crafty friends, welcome back. I am Jessica, and I am so excited you're here because today we're making not one, but two adorable Halloween projects, perfect for getting into the spooky spirit of the season. First up, we'll be creating a fun and spooky handmade card, followed by a cute gift tag that will pair with our iridescent treat bags. Just add some goodies inside and you're ready to go. We'll be featuring the Spooky Sweet Sweet collection from our July online exclusives, which includes the Spooky Sweet Designer Series paper, the Spooky Halloween stamp set with coordinating dies, shimmer styrofoam stickers, those magical iridescent bags, and the fabulous quarter Petunia Pop ribbon. We'll also sprinkle in a few extra Stampin' Up products to bring these projects to life. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's get crafty together. Let's dive right in. Wasn't that a blast? Two quick and fun projects, a spooky card and a festive treat tag that showed just how versatile the Spooky Sweet Sweet really is. We can't wait to see the incredible creations you come up with using this suite and more from our July online exclusives. And don't forget, July's online exclusives aren't just for Halloween. With a wide variety of papers, stamps, dies, and embellishments, there's something to spark your creativity all year long. Be sure to check out the full collection online. We hope today's video left you feeling inspired to dive into your Halloween crafting. If you're ready to start creating but need a few supplies, reach out to your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator or visit our website to shop the full range. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy crafting!